Let's be real. When it comes to dating, relationships, or just basic attraction, there are certain things older guys do that instantly turn younger women off. And no, it's not just about age. It's about behavior, mindset, and habits that scream insecurity, outdated thinking, or just plain unattractiveness. If you're an older guy who's interested in younger women, you need to avoid these 7 unattractive habits at all costs, because younger women notice them immediately, and they hate them. Let's get into it. First, acting like a know-it-all. There's a fine line between confidence and condescension, and a lot of older guys unknowingly cross it. Younger women are turned off when an older guy constantly feels the need to educate them about everything. Sure, you might have more life experience, but that doesn't mean she wants a lecture every time she shares an opinion. Instead of always correcting her or trying to prove you know more, actually listen. A woman is way more likely to respect and be attracted to you if she feels like her thoughts are valued, not dismissed. The second turnoff, dressing outdated or not putting in effort. A lot of older guys get stuck in their ways and don't update their style. If you're still rocking clothes from 15 years ago and you think grooming is optional, you're automatically lowering your attractiveness. A younger woman wants to be seen with someone who looks put together, not someone who looks like they stopped caring in the early 2000s. It's not about chasing trends. It's about looking fresh, confident, and well-maintained. Invest in a modern wardrobe, get a proper haircut, and take care of your skin. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. The third unattractive habit, bragging about past accomplishments. This is a big one. Older guys sometimes feel the need to constantly bring up their past achievements, whether it's career success, money, or how they used to be this or that. Here's the truth. Younger women don't care as much as you think they do. What's impressive is not what you did 10 years ago, but what you're doing now. If you're still living off old glory days, it signals stagnation, and that's a massive red flag. Women are attracted to men who are still ambitious, still growing, and still actively doing things. The fourth habit that younger women hate, being overly controlling or patronizing. This one happens way too often, and it's an instant attraction killer. Some older guys feel like they have to protect or lead younger women in a way that just comes off as controlling. Saying things like, "You wouldn't understand," or trying to dictate what she should wear, where she should go, or who she should be friends with, makes her feel like a child, not a partner. A woman wants to feel safe and respected, not micromanaged. The fifth unattractive habit, complaining about the younger generation. If you're constantly ranting about kids these days or how things were better back in my day, you just sound bitter. Younger women don't want to date someone who resents their generation. Instead of focusing on differences, focus on connecting. Be open-minded, adaptable, and willing to embrace change instead of resisting it. The sixth mistake, trying too hard to act young. Listen, there's nothing more cringe than an older guy who forces himself to act like he's in his 20s, using slang that doesn't fit, pretending to be into things just to impress younger women, or awkwardly inserting himself into social scenes where he doesn't belong. Authenticity is key. If you're confident in who you are, that's attractive. But if you're trying to fit in unnaturally, it just looks desperate. Own your age, your experience, and your confidence without trying to be someone you're not. And finally, the seventh thing younger women hate, lack of emotional maturity. You'd be surprised how many older men still act emotionally unavailable, play games, or have unresolved baggage from past relationships. Women, regardless of age, value emotional intelligence. If you can't communicate openly, if you're still playing hot and cold mind games, or if you refuse to take responsibility for your emotions, you're going to push her away. A younger woman isn't looking for a father figure. She's looking for a partner who understands her, respects her, and meets her on an emotional level. So if you're an older guy who's into younger women, the key isn't about trying to be younger or proving yourself. It's about avoiding these unattractive habits and focusing on being confident, present, and emotionally intelligent. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights like this, hit that like button, subscribe to Action Alerts, and drop a comment below. What's one habit you've seen that instantly kills attraction? Let's talk about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.